What's up, you guys? And welcome back to my YouTube channel. Just kidding. What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys like these sunglasses. I don't know if I have shown it in previous videos. If not, then look at them, how cute. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys my to-go glam look, which only involves a few products, and it's a lifesaver, time saver, because I'm living a very busy life. I have a full-time job. Next to that, I'm trying to be on YouTube, Instagram, and everywhere on social media. I also try to get a side job, and I live alone, so I have to run my household all by myself, which is not as easy as it sounds like. So of course, there are some times when I really have to look put together, and I do not actually have the time to sit down and do an hour of makeup, like baking my face, contouring, and all kinds of things like that. So in these few months, I actually practiced very easy makeup routine, which saves my life on those days when I really have to look put together, but I do not have the time for it. So without further ado, if you are interested in how I created this look in, I think it was less than 20 minutes, with the hair and outfit, everything together, of course, because the makeup look is like really easy, just a few steps, not too much products involved. So let us dive into today's video. Oh, before I forget, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, because there will be more and more videos coming up. And I also would like to ask to subscribe, because I'm almost at 500 subscribers and I really want to reach 500 by the end of this month, and this is now February, so please help a girl out. Also, don't forget to check out my other videos, and I also have every Wednesday, mostly every Wednesday, coming up Brow Beach series. I will be linking the playlist for it down below in the description box, so you can check it out. And also, yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, because, you know, it's nice to like my videos. And I think that's enough blabbering. Jump into the video, shall we? The first thing I'm using is Fit and Fresh primer from Essence Cosmetics. It's a very great primer. It gives a little glow to your skin, and it's quite cheap, because as you know, if you know me, you know that Essence Cosmetics are very cheap. And the Fresh and Fit, or Fit and Fresh, I don't even know anymore, foundation, which I'm going in now. A little bit about this foundation. This is not a full coverage foundation, it's a sheer to medium coverage, so it's actually sheer, but you can build it up to medium. I just use it as sheer because, you know, we are in a hurry, so I'm just bringing it on with a damp beauty blender. This is the easiest way to bring it on, and make sure that I blend it out well. The good thing with this product is it's very easy to blend out, so it goes on quite fast. And if you are in a hurry, you won't have time, of course, to be busy with your blending your foundation out for hours, which normally I do, because most of my foundations are quite heavy and full coverage, but this one isn't. Although it does not last throughout the day, that's a down part of the foundation, but who wears makeup all day? So if you really have to just pop in somewhere and you need makeup, use that one. The next product I'm using is the Camouflage Concealer from Essence. This one was empty. Good, your girl got another one. This is also something, it's very creamy and very easy to blend, and it covers all the good spots. It does have a full coverage though, so it's not a sheer one, it's a full one, but it's so easy to blend out. So I'm just gonna put the highlighter, put the concealer wherever I usually put it, under my eyes, my smile lines, on my chin, above my lips, on my nose, and a little bit on my forehead, and I'm just gonna go in and blend the whole thing out. It's really good to use a damp beauty blender, because it gets the job done way faster than a dry one. So make sure you use a damp beauty blender. The next thing is from Essence Shape Your Face palette, and it has like 3 powders in it. The first powder is a bronzer, the second one, which I am using right now, is a setting powder. With that I'm going to set my under eye areas and literally my whole face, because powder blends out like a dream on powder and we don't have much time to keep on blending. So I'm just gonna put it all over my face to make sure that later on my contour and my highlighter and everything will blend out way faster. So then next I'm going in to the same palette, because you know you don't have time to be looking for all your palettes, so it's always good to get an eye or like a face palette, because it mostly has setting powder, highlighter and a bronzer in it. I'm using the contouring part to contour out my face. Of course I'm not gonna go in too much, just pop on a little bit with a bronzing brush, not a contouring brush, because as I said I'm not gonna literally go into contouring, and with a little more blending brush, which I normally use for my eyeshadow. I know I'm guilty, I didn't find the usual brush that I use for my nose contour, so I'm just gonna go in and quick contour my nose. Then again, we're not gonna go too deep in it, just make sure that our nose is a little bit, you know, snatched. It doesn't have to be perfect, you know, but it will get the job done. The next thing I'm going to do is my brows. I'm just gonna go over and groom them a little bit, although I would still have to like trim my eyebrows, because that haven't been done in weeks, you guys. So first thing I'm going to do is using an what's that, eyebrow primer from NYC Cosmetics. NYC stands for New York Color Cosmetics. It's quite an okay brand. They have nice products, but they have like quite shitty products too, because their foundations are awful. Don't buy them, it's a waste of time. But their brow products and lip products are dreamy. So then I'm going to just go ahead and shape my brows real fast. Though you don't have to be worried if it's not perfect, you know, don't sit there an hour trying to shape your eyebrows. If you mess it up, don't worry. Later on we are going to go back in with a concealer to make them look more perfect. Like that you can save energy, time, and the stress of not having even eyebrows for the first try, because girl, your eyebrows need to be friends, not sisters or something, or sisters, not twins. Well, I don't know, there are some days that my eyebrows aren't even friends. Good to know. I'm just joking. So here on we are going in with a concealer to make sure that my brows are more snatched and even, and it really does save a lot of time. Like if you're just like quick popping on the concealer, blend it out with your fingers, it's still not like snatched and on fleek, but you're good to go. See that? It makes quite a little difference, but it does make a difference. You know, you have to appreciate the small things as well. So now that that's done, what I like to do is I always go in with an eyebrow gel, a tinted eyebrow gel. Make Me Brow from Essence for brunettes. I know I'm blonde, but I like to have a little bit more bold eyebrows, so I go in with this brunette color, brunette shade, this cute brown color, and just quick run it over my brows, so all my brow hairs will stay in place for the rest of the time that I'm wearing makeup, because usually I also don't wear makeup all day, because ain't nobody got time for that. And then what I'm going to do is going with the shade that I contoured with from the palette, grab a big fluffy bending brush and just dash it on your crease. Like, you don't have to be perfect, you don't need a transition color, just pop it on your crease, make sure that you blend it out, because it really does open up your eyes, and it actually does make you look like that you put time in your makeup and effort and whatnot, while actually you haven't seen it. No, I'm just kidding. What I also like to do is, there is a blush in it, so I'm just gonna grab my brush, the same brush that I used to put the color on my crease, just dab it in the product, the blush, and pop it on the moving parts of my brows, so it looks like I actually have a nice eyeshadow going on, but I actually don't. And you don't have to do this. I like to do it because it makes my eyes look a little bit more bigger, and it just makes you look a little bit more glamorous if you pop on a little bit of eyeliner. Of course, if you are not so good with eyeliners and it takes you a lot of time to get one wing done, don't waste your time on it. it's no need. I like to do it, and I'm just gonna pop on my liner. And to be honest, here in this video I actually struggled with one of my wings, and they didn't even come out even, but hey, I tried. And the next I'm going in with the mascara I'm always using, Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara. Thing is, I already mentioned in previous videos, I bought this months ago, like 6 months ago, and I still have product. Like, it's still not empty. Like, I don't know. Come on. Okay, it wasn't like the cheapest mascara on earth. It was like, what, 8 euros or something, so it's still not expensive. Duh. So if you are looking for a good quality product that lasts forever, buy this one. I'm not gonna purchase it anymore since it's not cruelty free, but if you don't care about it, go ahead. As for highlighter, I'm using from Catrice Cosmetics, Strobing highlighter in the shade 02 Champagne Campaign. It's a nice champagne color highlighter. It even has a slight scent to it, which is lovely, and it gives a subtle glow. You can also, of course, build it up to blinding, but this is not my video. What is my video going to be about? In the meanwhile, I let it fall. I'm sorry, you guys, so that's why my head went under, because I let my little highlighter fall. But it didn't break, so it's good news, right? And I'm just gonna highlight the high point of my face as usual, but I'm not gonna go too overboard with it because, one, we do not have time for it, it's a quick video, two, I just want to go for a more subtle everyday to-go look. So next I am done with that, so I think we are needing to go in with the blush. For the blush, I'm using the same Shape Your Face palette from Essence. Now the good thing from buying these palettes is because these powders you can use for multiple purposes. You can use them for bronzing, you can use it for eyeshadow, highlighting, whatever you like, you know, just be creative. And I love this blush because it's like so peachy, and the whole palette doesn't even cost like 5 euros. As for lip stick, I'm going in with a velvet lip gloss, or lip tint, or lip color, or lip cream, I don't even know, from Catrice Cosmetics. It has all kinds of vitamins in it. It makes your lips super soft, and it comes, I use the shade Into the Rosewood. Beautiful shade. I always coat up 2 from it because, to be honest, it's not very pigmented, but it does have like a beautiful color. So I think pretty much that's it. So this is the finished look. I did my hair real quick. I just put it up in a bun because that's what I do on a daily basis. It's the easiest way. Just put your hair up in a bun, make it a little bit messy. Mine is not even straight, oh my god, but it's still cool. Pop on a little few accessories. I just got these little hoops, but they're like not those, like, you know, they are cute still. And of course my sunglasses, because it's nice weather outside and I'm planning to go take a walk. And I can't live without the glow, so even my shirt has to glow just to make me look a little bit more fabulous. This isn't even a shirt, it's like a sweater jumper thingy, a little bit oversized, and under that I'm wearing a cute little t-shirt, also sparkling, and just to complete the look with a elephant necklace. And that's pretty much it. Of course I have bangs, so I mostly leave them out. Bangs are lifesavers, you guys, so if you have considered it already to cut bangs, or I don't know, do those fake bang extension thingies, do so, because they are lifesavers. Like, seriously, even if you wear no makeup at all, but your bangs are on point, you're good to go. I love to wear my bangs, also because I have like messed up eyebrows, if I don't do them, of course. Like, now they are like, my brows on fleek, like, of course they are on fleek. So, you know, like, if I don't feel like doing my eyebrows, I just pop on some mascara, eyeliner, a little bit of lipstick. Of course, I always put highlighter on, and I'm good to go. I don't have to be busy with my eyebrows or my forehead or whatever. My bangs will completely got me covered. And I think pretty much that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because it could help out my channel a lot. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure you will do so, because I'm almost at 500 subscribers, which is still very little, but hey, it's something. So I would really like to get to 500 subscribers by the end of this month, and this is only February, so help me out, please. If you guys want to see any different kind of videos of me, please let me know down below in the comment section, and I will make sure that I will get to it. If you have any questions or you would like to just get to know me better or chat with me, I'm always open, so you can hit me up in the comment sections. You can send me an email, you can hit me up on Snapchat, Facebook, I have Instagram. Make sure that you check it out and hit that follow button there, because there I'm posting, of course, almost on a daily basis. And I think pretty much that's it. I see you another time. Alright, next time. I see you next time, you guys. And kisses. I love you all.